YouTube channel. My name is Annabelle, and I was going to do the furry friend tag for you, but someone wasn't having it. This happened. You have to come on the couch. Here we go. You have to sit here. And she runs away. Lena, come here. Well, that was a brief furry friend. Lena, and let's just get to the questions before she jumps away again. What's your pet's name? Her name is Lena. She's a good girl. Okay, and what kind of breed is? Okay, let's start with. No, don't leave. Lena, up here. Lena. Well, I'm not going to do a furry friend. And today I'm going to talk about coping skills toolboxes. And basically what it is that you put a bunch of stuff in a box, and when you're in the moment, you can use your toolboxes to calm down. So you find an empty shoebox or a drawer or a backpack or any container that you can have easy access to, and you put a bunch of stuff in it. Like, here's like a few stuff you can keep in yours. A small notebook, maybe some tea bags or some hot chocolate so you can make like a hot drink. Play-Doh, a sewing kit, and important phone numbers, including a lifeline. I personally put in mine bubbles, squeezy things, stuff that you can feel and that are sensory, like a smooth rock or a ribbon or something like that, and some lotion, some really good smelling lotions, essential oils, so I remember to use my diffuser, and my necklace, which I have a necklace that if you open, there's a pad inside and you can just sprinkle essential oils on it, and it smells good all day. And yeah, so basically you use these when you're in the moment, and yeah, so yeah, you can pack it and put it in places like your home, or you can put it in a backpack, take it on the go, or you can put it in a drawer or anywhere really. You can put it in your car if you really wanted to, but then it might get heated up in the summer or too cold in the winter, depending if you have all 4 seasons. We have all 4 seasons, but usually it's usually we have winter and construction season. We don't have any other season, just winter and construction. So yeah, anyways, I hope this helped anyone out there, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.